Today, we are swapping out the grill on my Tacoma. So another company reached out to me recently, and they do grills for Toyotas, for Fords, and for Chevys. And they wanted to send me one of their grills for the Tacoma and see if I could do a review, stuff like that. So I did get this grill free, but as you guys know, that's not gonna prevent me from being completely honest. I'm gonna take you guys through everything, the unboxing, the install, and kind of how I feel about everything. But I've been talking to the guys who own the company. They seem like super cool guys. They're two dudes from Hawaii, moved to Los Angeles. The company is called Built NKO. NKO stands for No Ka-O, which means the best. So I'm really excited to check out this product and work with this company because they seem like a bunch of cool guys. So let's unbox the Heritage grill that they make for the Toyotas. So this is the TSS garnish, that is, and then this should be the lettering. Yep. All right, let's put this all together. All right, so first things first, let's get the lettering in here. They send you the lettering and the hardware required, so this just slides into place like so. And then there's 4 screws. Next thing we got to do is remove the kind of filler that they have here where the TSS garnish goes. So this is obviously going to work all the way back to 16 where they didn't have the garnish, and then in 18 you got Toyota Safety Sense, and that's where the sensor of that goes, is right behind this plate. So we got to put the garnish in here now. All right, so they send these little keepers for the garnish. So this is gonna go, let's remove this plastic real quick. This is gonna go up like this. There we go. And then we have some washers. And then these keepers go on the little pins that come through. To get these keepers on here like this is to take a socket. I have a 10mm socket, and just kind of press it over like that. Now that the Heritage grill is set up, we're gonna remove the stock grill. There's 2 10mm screws and 2 push pins that have to be removed, and then we can pull this off and swap the actual sensor for the Safety Sense. Now that the stock grill is off, the first thing I want to do is move the actual sensor over to the Heritage grill from Built NKO. So we're going to remove this sensor, and then the rest can be done with a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, we have to focus on the stock grill for a minute here. 8 Phillips head screws that have to come off. So I'm gonna do that real quick. While we're here, we're gonna get all the pins, which the pins, quite honestly, are a pain in the butt on these grills. To make things a little easier, I'm gonna use some needle nose. So now that we have the stock grill out, trying to get this in there. So now that we have the stock grill out, we are gonna take the Heritage Grill, get all this shipping material off of it, and drop it in place. Make sure that all the pins are clipped. There we go. And then plug in your garnish. There we go. Now it's time to get it back on the truck. So there we go, the install of the built NKO TRD Pro Grill, or Heritage Grill, whichever you want to call it. It's a great product. I had no issues with the install. It was packaged really well. The product itself fit perfectly. It clipped right in. I didn't need to modify anything to make anything work. Everything transferred over perfectly. Built NKO did an amazing job on this grill. So I have the new grill on with the TSS garnish. I just wanted to do a sensor check and make sure everything is working. So we will turn cruise on, radar ready, set speed. Yeah, it's slowing down. I'm gonna change the distance. And there we go, it's speeding up. Car in front of me is slowing down. My truck's slowing down. Keeping the distance. Slowing down even more. Now we're speeding up. Toyota safety sense is working well with the built NKO grill. So, an NKO, NKO, the best, built the best. I believe it now. Anyways, huge fan of the product. I love the way the front end of my truck looks now. I mean, you can't argue that those Heritage grills just look the best on the Tacomas. I love them. So thanks again to Built NKO for sending me out this grill. Absolutely love it. Super impressed with how everything lined up and how quality it really is. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you in the next one.